Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying Android 15 on your Motorola and making sure updates are applied. This ensures Private Space supports the latest privacy patches. Once done, set a distinct PIN or password for Private Space and add a recovery option because this credential isolates apps and files. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 gigabytes free and keep the device charging if setup might take longer. Now tap Settings, search Private Space, and choose Create Private Space to start the guided configuration. You now control who and what lives inside Private Space. Pick PIN, password, or biometrics as the separate unlock method so your main profile stays distinct. Then, choose which apps to clone or freshly install. Only the selected apps and their data appear inside. Next, enable the encryption option and review app permissions one by one, because Private Space enforces stricter access. Once configured, test opening an app inside Private Space and confirm notifications and storage. You finish by securing recovery and verifying isolation. Export recovery codes or enable the recommended backup method so you can regain access if you forget credentials. Then test switching between profiles. Lock Private Space, return to the main profile, and reopen it to confirm apps and files remain private. If something goes wrong and you cannot access Private Space, try the recovery option you created. If that fails, contact Motorola support. Before attempting any factory reset to avoid permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.